let's say that it's just, I remember one example, which was an airport, which is literally like they put those massive slabs on the runway and they were tracking progress based on the massive slabs on the runway. So it's quite simple. But it's like, okay, well, let's just assume the slab deliveries are infinite. So we've got all of the slabs we need sitting next to the runway in the inventory. Then it's like, okay, I remember looking at this and going, well, how are we laying slabs? How many slab teams can we get in? And then it's okay, well, what's the coordination factor between slab teams? It was actually 0, as in they just come and lay and you can, but the disruption factor was really high because if you have one crew, they'll start at one end of the runway. If you have another crew, they'll start at the other end. If you have a third crew, well, then you kind of have to start them a bit along. If you have a fourth crew, a bit. And then it comes to the point where actually the bottleneck is going and picking up the slabs and logistically moving them. And it might sound really intricate, but actually, I think a lot of superintendents, they think this way because it's about the real practicalities of how you actually get slabs on the runway. And this probably comes to a point that I'd ask you to comment on, Micah, which is, where does the planner stop and where does the site teams and the superintendents start? And the planner shouldn't venture there. We know that, site teams and superintendents shouldn't really venture into P6 and shouldn't be running Monte Carlo analysis and this kind of thing.